Yo, what's going on, everyone? Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? Like waking up, checking your phone, and seeing thousands of dollars from your online store? That's the dream, right? And I'm here to tell you it's totally possible. We're talking about building an e-commerce empire in 2025. No more boring 9 to 5s, just you, your passion, and the internet. Imagine this, a constant stream of orders coming in, happy customers raving about your products, and the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Ready to launch your own e-commerce business in 2025? Let's dive into the ultimate guide to help you succeed. All right, first things first, we gotta find your niche. This is huge. What are you passionate about? What gets you fired up? Could be anything, custom sneakers, handmade jewelry, eco-friendly gadgets, whatever makes your heart sing. But here's the secret sauce. Your niche has to solve a real problem. Think about it. The most successful businesses out there are solving people's problems. People are lazy, make their lives easier, people are bored, entertain them, find that problem, be the solution, and you're golden. Do people actually want what you're offering? Head over to Google Trends, check out social media, see what's trending, what people are talking about. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your e-commerce empire. Choose wisely, my friends. Okay, you found your niche, you're passionate, you're ready to crush it. But hold your horses, we gotta talk about the competition. Listen, every good general knows their enemy. In the e-commerce world, knowledge is power. We need to know who you're up against, what they're doing right, and where they're falling short. Check out their websites, their social media, see what products they're selling, how they're marketing, what their customers are saying. Learn from the best, but don't be afraid to innovate. Offer something different, something better, and watch your e-commerce empire rise. All right, now that you know who you're up against, it's time to build your online store. This is where the magic happens, and choosing the right platform is crucial. But first, we gotta choose the right platform. It's not just about setting up a store, it's about picking the right tools for your business. It's like picking the right foundation for your house. Gotta be strong, gotta be reliable. Without a solid foundation, everything else can crumble. Now, there are a ton of options out there, but we're going to focus on the heavy hitters, Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. These platforms are popular for a reason. Each one has its own pros and cons, so let's break it down. Understanding these differences can help you make an informed decision. Shopify is like the all-inclusive resort of e-commerce platforms. It's designed to make your life easier. It's super user-friendly, even for beginners, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started, and comes with everything you need to get started. Hosting, templates, payment processing, you name it. It's all there in one package. Plus, they have a massive app store where you can add all sorts of cool features. This means you can expand your store's functionality as you grow. Next up, we've got WooCommerce. This platform is a bit different. This one's a bit more hands-on, requiring a bit more effort on your part, but it gives you a ton of flexibility. You can tweak and customize almost every aspect of your store. You'll need your own hosting and domain name, which means a bit more setup, but you'll have more control over the look and feel of your store. This is great if you have a specific vision in mind. If you're a bit tech savvy and want to customize everything, WooCommerce might be your jam. It's perfect for those who like to get their hands dirty. WooCommerce might be your jam. It's perfect for those who like to get their hands dirty. And finally, we have Etsy. This platform is unique in its own way. This one's perfect if you're selling handmade or vintage goods. It's a niche market, but a very popular one. It's like a giant online marketplace where you can connect with millions of buyers. The audience is already there waiting for unique items, where you can connect with millions of buyers who are already looking for unique handcrafted products. It's a community of like-minded individuals who are already looking for unique handcrafted products. If you have a creative streak, Etsy is the place to be. All right, it's time to build your online store. This is where your creativity can really shine. This is where things start to get really exciting. You get to shape your vision into a digital reality. Think of it like designing your dream house, but instead of bricks and mortar, we're using pixels and code. Every detail matters. First impressions are everything, so we gotta make your store look amazing. A stunning homepage can captivate visitors instantly. Pick a theme that's visually appealing, easy to navigate, and reflects your brand identity. Remember, simplicity is key. A clutter-free design enhances user experience. Next up, it's time to upload your products. This is where your store starts to come to life. And let me tell you, product photography is everything. High-quality images are non-negotiable. They can make or break a sale. Use good lighting, show off your products from different angles, and make them irresistible to buyers. The more details, the better. Don't forget to write compelling product descriptions that sell. They should be informative and engaging. Highlight the benefits, use emotional language, and create a sense of urgency. Make your customers feel they need your product now. Once your products are up, it's time to set up your payment gateway and shipping options. These are crucial for a seamless shopping experience. Make sure the checkout process is smooth and secure. A hassle-free checkout can significantly reduce cart abandonment. And finally, don't forget to add those all-important pages: About Us, Contact Us, FAQs, and a killer return policy. These pages are the backbone of your store. These pages build trust and credibility with your customers. They show that you are a reliable and professional business. All right, your online store is looking sharp. Your products are ready to fly off the virtual shelves. Now it's time to get the word out there. You've put in the hard work to create an amazing online shopping experience, but now you need to attract customers and drive traffic to your site. This is where marketing comes in, baby. First up, we gotta leverage the power of social media. Social media platforms are a goldmine for reaching potential customers and engaging with your audience. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and build a community around your brand. Share stories, post eye-catching visuals, and interact with your followers to keep them hooked. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the possibilities are endless. Each platform has its unique strengths, so tailor your content to fit the vibe of each one. Email marketing is another powerful tool in your arsenal. It allows you to reach your customers directly in their inboxes with personalized messages. Collect email addresses from your website visitors and send out regular newsletters, promotions, and new product announcements. Keep your audience informed and excited about what's new. It's a great way to stay top of mind and drive repeat business. Consistent communication helps build loyalty and trust with your customers. Don't underestimate the power of influencer marketing. Influencers have a dedicated following that trusts their recommendations. Partner up with influencers in your niche who can promote your products to their loyal followers. Their endorsement can significantly boost your brand's visibility and credibility. And let's not forget about the OG search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is crucial for driving organic traffic to your site. Optimize your website and product pages with relevant keywords so people can find you easily on Google. The higher you rank, the more visibility you get. Be creative, experiment with different strategies, and watch your e-commerce empire grow. The key is to stay adaptable and keep refining your approach based on what works best. All right, you're getting sales, you're building a brand, things are going great. But here's the thing, it's not enough to just make a sale. We gotta turn those first-time buyers into loyal, raving fans. And that's where customer service comes in. Listen up, customer service is everything in the e-commerce world. It's the difference between a one-time purchase and a lifetime customer. We gotta make sure every interaction with your brand is positive, helpful, and memorable. First things first, fast and reliable shipping is crucial. People don't want to wait weeks for their order. Offer multiple shipping options, provide tracking information, and keep your customers in the loop. Communication is key. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Remember, happy customers are your best brand ambassadors. Treat them right, and they'll reward you with their loyalty and positive reviews. There you have it, folks. Your roadmap to starting a successful e-commerce business in 2025. We've covered everything from finding your niche to providing exceptional customer service. Now it's time to take action. Remember, starting an online business isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Imagine the feeling of waking up every day excited to work on your own terms, building something you're passionate about, and achieving financial freedom. That's the power of e-commerce. So what are you waiting for? The world is your oyster. Take the knowledge you've gained from this video, put in the work, and watch your e-commerce empire soar to new heights. There you have it. Your roadmap to starting a successful e-commerce business in 2025. No more excuses. It's time to make your dreams a reality. Ready to launch? I know you are. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more awesome content, and leave a comment below. I want to hear about your business ideas. Who knows? Maybe I'll even invest. Until next time, stay awesome.